Passport travel journals are a beautiful way that you can bring your artwork with you on the go. They're available in 3 different sizes and 2 different paper types. I have right here our grid paper. You'll notice that there's a magnetic closure that keeps it closed and everything together. And we have some drawings here that we did. And the grid paper is very smooth, very nice, and gives you the opportunity to bring with you a way to document or journal any kind of architectural engineering or sketching that you want to do. And they have a area up top which allows you to document your page, so what you're working on, the date, any of that good stuff. All of them feature a ribbon to bookmark where you are, and they have a very sturdy cover. They feel really nice in the hand. This is our sketching paper version, and I will show you that paper real quick. It's a very nice drawing paper. I'll hold just about any kind of drawing media. Might take a light wash, and I will just quickly just show you. It's got a little bit of tooth to it, but not too much. Pencil kind of glides across smoothly. And these are designed to go wherever you do. They come in an A6 size, which is considered a pocket size. This is the international sizing standards. An A5, which is this guy right here, which is a medium bag size. And then you have your portfolio size, which is the A4. So as the numbers go down, these sizes go up. I'll also show you real quick. All the journals feature a pocket in the back. So this is one of those really, really convenient tools, whether you're, collect, I don't know, stamps, ticket stubs, whatever it is that you have on your travels that you might want to integrate into your journal or give you a memory of what you want to write down later. The back pocket will allow you to store it and keep it safe with your art. So these are the Passport travel journals, a really, really beautiful tool for an artist to take their art on the go.